Deserve congratulations, and a very important story. We've had a few more showers around the area. We'll talk about why that is in a moment, but let's take a look at radar. We had a few thunderstorms around parts of the metro area earlier this afternoon, and now some decent little downpours moving across from Mississippi into the North Shore. Bogalusa right along the state line, a decent little thunderstorm, nothing severe, little outflow boundary, so definitely some strong gusty winds within these thunderstorms. Some spotty showers elsewhere, and again, had some rainfall around the metro area around 2 o'clock. Didn't last for very long, didn't see much on the east bank. It was more focused west bank, and then also down Bayou parishes moving toward Morgan City, a few spotty thunderstorms there as well. You'll also notice a little bit more cloud cover with those thunderstorms passing through. They don't last for very long, don't drop a whole lot of rainfall, and if anything, it may briefly cool temperatures down, but then kind of turn it a little more humid once that rain moves on. 95 was our high today, not quite to the record, which thankfully 99. Although as we continue through the weekend and next week especially, highs will be more into that 99-degree range. 90 is our current temperature. We did see temperatures drop briefly across the metro area because of that rainfall into the 80s. Even when we didn't see rainfall, temperatures fell into the 80s. Back up to 90 degrees though at Kenner, and the humidity is also a little bit higher than it had been. Dew points now upper 60s, but starting to see more lower 70s. So the mugginess is starting to come back. That also sent a few locations with a heat index over 100 degrees. And it's only going to get worse. Why? The upper high that has been anchored a little bit more to our west over the last several days is going to be creeping our way. So with this high building in over us, it is going to dominate our forecast and allow those temperatures to reach the upper 90s. Now, it's not going to be centered directly on top of us. What may help us out is that we will be kind of on the periphery at times. And some of the models, GFS being one, does indicate as we head into next week some slightly better rain chances. Now, the timing could change, but the way the model is setting up right now, we might not get into that rainfall until later in the evening and night. So if that is the case, then those high temperatures, because of the high, easily into the upper 90s, and the rainfall really doesn't help to cool us off. Much needed rainfall may have a bit of a break on Tuesday and then again on Wednesday, but again, maybe more late evening. We'll kind of take a look at the timing of the rainfall, but as of right now, those high temperatures still getting into the upper 90s, even with slightly better chances for some rain early next week, although those slightly better chances are only at around 30 to 40% early in the week. Now, what may have helped us out with our rainfall is we look at water vapor. Here's the Louisiana and then Florida coastline. This week, a little disturbance right here as it is moving toward the coast, kind of been helped to initiate some more thunderstorms along the Gulf Coast, and that is where we saw a little bit more development during the day today. This is actually kind of associated with a wave that is moving over Florida. This wave, not going to develop into anything tropical, will actually move inland. There's another little cluster of storms anytime this time of year. I see a pocket of clouds in the Gulf or in the near Atlantic waters. You take a look at it, and thankfully nothing is likely to happen with these systems. The only little wave that we're still watching is out in the eastern Atlantic, and the Hurricane Center is only giving it a medium % chance of developing, and models keep it away from the United States altogether. High temperatures gradually warming into the upper 90s, even with rain chances picking up a little bit as we continue into early next week.